Today, we're making the most soft, buttery, and creamy lemon loaf you will ever try. Forget banana bread. This cream cheese lemon loaf is rich, slightly tangy, and melts in your mouth. And the secret? Cream cheese. Let's start with our ingredients. First, for the dry ingredients, we need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, you'll need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Whisk everything together and set aside. Now for the creamy base. 1/2 cup of softened, unsalted butter. 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. This is what makes the loaf incredibly moist and rich. Beat them together until smooth and fluffy. Next, we add 1 cup sugar. Beat until light and creamy. Now the eggs. 2 eggs, added 1 at a time. This helps create a soft and tender texture. And now comes the lemon flavor. 1 tablespoon lemon zest. Then pour in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix everything gently. Now that our batter is beautifully flavored and creamy, in part 2, we'll combine everything and bake this golden masterpiece. Welcome back. Now let's finish this beautiful lemon loaf. Combine the mixtures. Gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Mix just until combined. Do not overmix. That's the key to a soft loaf. Prepare the pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line a loaf pan with parchment paper. Pour the batter. Smooth the top evenly. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick comes out clean. Cooling stage. Let the loaf cool completely before glazing. Optional lemon glaze. For extra sweetness and lemon flavor, 1 cup powdered sugar. 2 to 3 tablespoons lemon juice. Then, generously drizzle the glaze all over the top of the loaf. Look at that creamy center. Soft, moist, buttery. Perfect. If you love simple but elegant baking recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next recipe.